Hi guys, VST here. Welcome back on my channel. Today I want to speak briefly about dual messenger. Alright, so if you have a Samsung phone, you probably also have dual messenger. And I'm not sure guys if you know about dual messenger, right? But dual messenger actually allows you to sign in to your favorite apps using other accounts. So sign into a second account in your favorite social apps, alright? So how can you access that one? Very quickly guys, go to settings. Scroll down to advanced features, then just scroll down a bit and you'll see here something called dual messenger. Let's try to test it. Click here. All right, so let's say I'm going to use messenger. All right, install a second copy of messenger. You'll be able to sign into another messenger account in the second copy of the app. So let's press install. All right, of course there is a disclaimer, very big one, don't read it, just press confirm. Okay, turn this on to use a separate list of contacts in your second app. So in case you really have separate contact lists, you can apparently also do that one. Now I want to use the same one, so we're just going to press next. Use your regular contacts. Unless you turn on use separate contacts list, your contact list will be shared between your main and second app. Okay, I'll say yes, why not? Turning on dual messenger. Let's see if it will still work. 18330. The year is 2021. The device is Samsung Galaxy Note Ultra 20, Note 20 Ultra. Alright, second copy of Messenger installed, and you might want to check here, the icon is going to be a bit different, right? So let me just go to the Messenger, okay, and you see I have the regular Messenger, and I have also this Messenger. So let's try to run that one. If I open this one, you see it will start as if it's a new installation. So guys, after you do the full setup, you open your account. You can see that right now I'm using my primary account. And if I open the cloned app, I'm going to use actually my VST account. And you can also do this on one messenger instance, but every time you need to sign off, sign in, sign off, sign in. This is really a more convenient way to use this, right? And it works really easily with, I think, Telegram, I think also with Viber and also with Facebook. Now all the supported apps again, if you go to settings here and you press advanced features and you scroll down to dual messenger, you're going to see all the supported apps. So right now we have the messenger, we have Facebook, we have Viber and Telegram. So in case guys you have two SIM cards, you can probably also use this on Viber and use this on Telegram. You can also use this on Facebook. Again, it's a very neat functionality built into our beloved One UI. I really hope that these videos guys make sense to you. If that's the case, you might want to subscribe for my channel, because you know 96% watching the videos are not subscribed. Help me change that one. Guys, please stay safe. You're gonna catch up in one of my next videos. VST over and bye.